watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now this video, honestly, I'm slightly embarrassed to tell you that I was taken by an Instagram little ad for these human-haired wigs that are fake. As they always say, if something is too good to be true, it is. And so I realized, honestly, after I purchased them, that it was a bad thing, and I emailed them right away. Of course, they already had my money and no reply, and so I just waited to get whatever they were gonna send me. So this is all FYI. Like, honestly, these Instagram ads, and it kills me that some of these ads are such fraudulent. You know, is there any kind of recourse from Instagram or anything like that selling these fake products? So this is actually this brand that I was roped into. Like, maybe I was feeling real good that day and was feeling like the world was a great place. I'm not exactly sure. But I've seen a bunch of these styles of ads on Instagram, and I believe Facebook, really anywhere, that are the same deal. What kind of tipped me off, unfortunately, after I purchased the wigs, I went to go watch the video again of the wig, and I caught in the very beginning of the video that they, you know, that they just pulled from a very expensive human hair website, that it said the name of the company in it. And then of course I was doing a little investigation while I was watching it, like, did I really just hear something? And then I saw, like, in the background there was the name of the wig company. So of course I was like feverishly, like, you know, Googling it, and of course I found that the wig that I bought, of course, that I think I was gonna get a human hair luxurious wig for $50. Maybe? You know, like I said, I don't know what I was thinking, but the wig that they were actually showcasing from this website was literally like $2,000. And so let me just show you, one of them I didn't even open. We can just open it up. Now, they market this as 100% human hair. This is pure costume. Now, is this bad? Probably not. Like, this is fine, but the real problem is this fake parting right here. So this horrible fake parting, like, that's all plasticky. I mean, what can you really do with that? I don't know. I mean, this literally cost me $50, which I know this very wig is on Amazon for probably $16. So this one was supposed to be really great. And let's just open up the other one, because I'm actually curious to see what they sent me. So this one was this ash blonde one. Oh yes, now I remember. But it's this, I mean, could you maybe wear this? I mean, possibly. You know what, actually, I would really like to know if any of you ladies actually do wear, you know, if you actually do wear these, and if you can send me photos of you wearing it. I honestly would love to see if you can make this work, because honestly, like, this is a pretty cool color. This is supposed to be like an ash blonde, but clearly it's not bad, but not for $50. So if it was a lace front wig that was $50, I probably wouldn't feel too bad about it, and I'd just be like, whatever, it's fine, I got taken for a ride. I just wanna honestly make you ladies and gentlemen aware, if you haven't seen the ads, if you've been tempted, don't do it. Really research it, and before you buy anything, see if there's any YouTube reviews or if there's any information on the internet, because it really sounded like in the comments of this Instagram post, people were commenting, my wig looks exactly like that. So, you know, again, I was like drinking the Kool-Aid, and I somehow believed it all. I did reach out to PayPal to kind of file a dispute. Now, it said it could take 30 days, so I filed it, but then I wasn't home for like 10 days. So they actually like started to process this for me to send it somewhere, but since I didn't send it back like within 10 days, they actually canceled the entire thing and just said it's over. We closed the case. You cannot reopen it. Basically, I just lost $100 with these 2 wigs. If something is too good to be true, it probably is. I honestly, since I did pay for these, if you guys really know how to make these like fake partings actually work, or if you just wear a hat around it, I mean, maybe I'll just wear a beanie, even though I don't even wear a beanie. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll find like a really cool silk scarf or something. I don't know, but let me know if you rock these out. I would love to know. Of course, reach out to me on Instagram, leave me a comment down below. Like, let's all come together, and hopefully no one else will be scammed by fake wigs and fake other things. So just be on high alert. I honestly appreciate all you watching, and let me know if you have any other maybe fake brands like we could all share. Let's just empower each other to do great things and be fabulous and spend our real money on real wigs that are actually of what is posted and whatnot. So I want to thank you all for stopping by, and of course, we will see you soon.